Hey everyone, thanks for joining me today. My name's Chris White. I'm an investment analyst with 5i Research, and today we're going to be talking about the Watchlist feature on the 5i Research website. To access the Watchlist feature, members can select the Members page, and along the left-hand side, head to Watchlist. Now that we're in the Watchlist, members can add any US or Canadian stock or even ETF to their watchlist. All they have to do is enter in the specific ticker. For example, we'll add in EQB, and they can add it to their watch list and keep that on their radar. Now that members have created their watch list, they can filter by intraday percentage change, lowest to highest, highest to lowest. They can look at intraday dollar gain, geography, sector, or even dividend yield. Members can also receive weekly emails on their watch list by heading to Manage Notifications, turning on Receive Digest Emails, selecting the frequency, daily or weekly, and then looking at the different percentage price changes that they want to receive alerts on. When members opt in to receive the weekly digest email, they'll receive email alerts on when new questions or reports are published on companies within their watch list. As a reminder, as members are scrolling through the Q&A section, if there's a company that catches their eye and they want to add it to their watch list, they can simply hover over that company and select Add to Watch List. Okay, everyone, that's it for today. Thanks for stopping by, and please remember to like, subscribe, and share if you found this video useful, and head to the 5i Research website where members can ask questions regarding individual stocks or the market, find research reports on Canadian companies, receive bi-weekly newsletters on the market, view analytics on their own investment portfolios, and much more. Thanks again for watching, and we hope to see you next time.